Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on to share with you guys some of the equipments that I use when I'm doing my video recordings. Yeah, I've been asked a few questions on the stuff that I use, so I thought I'll come on and share with you guys the things that I use. I'll also leave a link in my description box to where you can find these things. Some of them I hope I can still find. But anyways, I'm going to start with this flexible tripod that we have here. It's from a company called Moreslan, and I got it from Amazon, and it came in this box here. And as you can see here, you can use it for your cell phone, you could use it for your camera, or you can use it for a GoPro if you have one of those. And as you see on the box, on the back here, the legs can be moved all over the place. It's very flexible, you guys. It is so convenient, and you can hook it up to anything and shoot from any angle. And here are some of the parts that it comes with. Now these ones here I believe are for your GoPro to attach it to the tripod, and this one here is what you would use to attach your camera. Sorry, your phone to the tripod. And you would just add your attachments to the top piece right here of the tripod and you're set to go. Now I'm going to show you how I set it up. Alright everyone, this is it with my iPhone 6 Plus on it. And this little tilting ball here, you could tilt your phone or your camera into any position that you like, which is really neat, and you lock it in place so it doesn't move. You can go forward, you can go backwards, side to side, up in the ceiling, turn it around, any position that you want that you are filming or even taking pictures, which is very nice. And you just tighten it and it stays to exactly where you put it. Alright, I'm going to take off this tilting ball now and show you the other options. We don't have to use the tilting ball. I call it tilting ball. I don't know if that's what it really is, but that's what I call it. So we're just going to take it off. And then you just attach your part to the tripod without that little round circle thing. And then you just put back your phone, which you could, it uses any Android phone, any smartphone, you know, or like mine, the iPhone 6 Plus. And there you go. And the legs, you guys, let me just show you the back. See, that's how it attaches. It's very fast, very simple, very easy. Not hard at all. And the legs now, you can move them around anyway because they're flexible. You can bend them up to any angle that you're filming in, or straighten them out. It's very flexible and nice. And it goes as high as 11.8 inches, and it goes as low as 4.2 inches. Whether you want to film high or film low, you just position the legs and you're set to go. And it's really neat. It's neat playing around with the legs in different positions you can put it in. And now I'm going to show you on my camera. So now I'm filming on my iPhone 6, guys. Sorry about the quality. And I'm going to be shaking a little bit with my hand. I'm so sorry about that. But like I said, I'm using my my phone so I can show you how it looks with the camera on it. Now this is my camera, which is the Sony A5100. And this is the tilting ball that I was telling you guys about. You could use that with the stand, or you can just mount it by itself on the tripod, which at this time I mounted the camera by itself on the tripod. And I'm going to show you guys how I use it when I'm filming. With this small tripod, it's so easy, you know, in my hands to hold. Not using the big heavy tripod that I have standing up. This little one is so much easier. So I'm just going to show you guys how I use it when I'm doing my zooming over the products I show you guys at the end of my videos. So I just hold it like this and then I just zoom over the products that I'm showing you guys. Alright everyone, I hope you've gotten an idea of what I use when I am doing my video recording. I love this Moreslan Flexible Tripod. It's very easy, it's very convenient, and it's a reasonable price, you guys. Very reasonable. And I'm gonna leave the link below so you guys can go over and check it out. It's on Amazon. Moreslan Flexible Tripod. You should really go check it out, and it's very easy. I hope you guys liked my video for today. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing my review of my tripod that I use at my filming. And I think I'll be coming back and sharing some more of my filming setup with you guys. Okay, now don't forget to like, comment, and press that subscribe button if you haven't already. Alright everyone, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye.
Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he